Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Flexzilla extension cord reel. So this thing looks like a really nice reel. You're going to want to mount it to the wall. Here's the mounting bracket. You know, it's not super heavy duty. The other end has 3 prongs and it's got 3 of them. Now you're going to plug this in into your wall outlet, and then when you want to use the extension cord, you're just going to pull it out. Yeah, when you pull it out, it'll stop. And then when you want it to go back in, you just pull it again. But it's got something that winds it up there on the inside. And here goes the cord back in. I like that it comes ready to use right out of the box. Everything's installed. We just got to mount it to the wall. Let's go over dimensions. Overall height is right around 14 inches. You know, it's going to stick out from the wall. It's going to stick out from the wall. Looks like about 15 and a half, almost 16 inches. And then front to back, you're looking at about 6 inches, almost 7 inches. Now here's what the other side looks like. This is the one that you're going to plug into the wall. So the part that you're going to plug into the wall is it's a little over 5 feet long. It's exactly 54 inches long. So it looks like this hinge is permanently mounted. I don't really see a way of taking that off. Sometimes they have like a pin that you can slide out, but that looks like it's permanently mounted. And then there's what you're gonna mount this to the wall. And again, it's got a little bit of weight to it, so you want to put like some really heavy duty, probably lag screws in there. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.